Hey kids, you are watching Kuchutvv.
Hello guys, hope you all are good. Today we are going to trace the letters and learn about colors. Let's start. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. White color, white color. Let's start. A. Red color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Red color. A. B. Green color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Green color. B. C. Yellow color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color. C. D. Blue color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Blue color. D. E. Pink color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Pink color. E. F. Brown color. F for fish. F for fish. Brown color. F. G. Red color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Red color. H. Dark green color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Dark green color. H. I. Yellow color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. I. J. Blue color. J. J for juice. J for juice. Blue color. J. K. Pink color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Pink color. K. L. Green color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Green color. L. M. Brown color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Brown color. M. N. Red color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Red color. N. O. Dark green color. O. O for hole. O for hole. Dark green color. O. P. Yellow color. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Yellow color. P. Q. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Blue color. Q. R. Pink color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Pink color. R. S. Yellow color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Yellow color. S. T. Red color. T. T for turtle. T for turtle. Red color. T. U, green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Green color. U. V, pink color. V. V for violin. V for violin. V, pink color. V. W, brown color. W. W for watch. W for watch. Brown color. W. X, blue color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Blue color. X. Y, yellow color. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Yellow color. Y. Z, red color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Red color. C. Hope you enjoyed during learning.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.